Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show you the lightweighted soft silk material saree with elegant Rudraksham border in both sides of this saree, minimal border in a contrast color combinations and very pretty the Fulkari art fusions with a flower paint kalamkari detailings in a digitally formats in entire the body part in affordable price point. And we have more than 4,500 plus options in different price point, different category and different color combinations. So, must be visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can download our application in Android and iOS device. If you like our collection, then like channel, share channel, subscribe channel, our YouTube channel and must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand IND. Daily we are launching 4 to 5 different designs in affordable price point and premium quality. That's my guarantee. Here you can see the full look of this saree parts. Look at the beauty of this small Fulkari art fusions with a Pashmina elegance in a digitally formats with a pink color combination, the Rudraksham golden zari border in both sides of the saree with elegant contrast color combination, the printed pallu parts with the same pink color combination, the resham thread tassels part. Here you can see the feel for of the saree, lightweighted, breathable, affordable price point, premium quality, soft silk material. This saree you received at just rupees 999. You can't believe, right? But yes, this saree is just rupees 999 rupees, free shipping all over India with a pink color combination, the contrast small Fulkari art buttas in entire the blouse piece. Here you can see the second color options. Our customer care executive number is 8154000063, Monday to Saturday, morning 10 to evening 6. You can call anytime with any language support. Total we are providing 6 multi-language support, Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive number. Here you can see the second designs and second new color combination. Totally body parts, you receive the light chiku color combinations and printed pallu parts with a human miniature king and queen elements in entire the printed pallu and Bharatnatyam and traditional buttas in entire the upper border part and same golden zari border in a Rudraksham elements. This saree also you received at just rupees 999 rupees, free shipping all over India. If you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then video call service is also available. So, must be booked one day before on our customer care executive number for your suitable time slot 8154000063, Monday to Saturday, morning 10 to evening 6 with the same contrast color combination, the small printed blouse piece. Vastram Madi, Anandam Medi, buy now at vastranand.in.